Ahoy there, mateys! Are you ready to go on a letter sound treasure hunt? Today, we're setting sail to find two special pirate letters, X and V. These letters are hidden on the treasure map, and if we learn their sounds and how to blend them in words, we'll find the special treasure. First, let's learn how these letters sound. This is the letter V. Can you say the letter name with me? V. The sound that goes with the letter V is V. Let's practice the letter sound together. V. We hear the V at the beginning of words like van and vase. You can put your finger right here and feel the vibration. V. Do you feel that vibration? That's how you know you're doing the letter sound V correctly. This is the letter X. Can you say the letter name with me? X. The sound that goes with the letter X is X. X. Can you say the sound with me? X. X. Now remember, when we see the X, we only need to say that one time. The X is kind of tricky because we usually hear that at the end of words, like in the word box. Do you hear the X at the end in box? That's where we would put the letter X. V says V, it vibrates right here. X says X at the end of box. Great work working on your letter sounds and letter names. Now, let's blend some words that have the X, X, and the V. My first word is V, A, N. Can you guess my word? Let's try it again. V, A, N. Van. Great work. Let's try another one. The next word is V, A, T. Can you try that with me? Here we go. V, A, T. Vet. Great work. Did you hear the V at the beginning? And I know that's the sound that goes with the letter V. That's right. All right, let's try another one. Here we go. X. All right, let's try that together. X. Fix. Ooh, I heard the X at the end. Did you hear that too? And I know that's the sound that goes with the letter X. Great work. All right, let's try one more word. Here we go. X. All right, are you ready to try it with me? Here we go. X. Blend it, mix. Great word blending today. Now you're ready to play a treasure hunting game. I have two very special treasure coins. The first coin has a letter V, and the other coin has the letter X. All right, I'm going to give you a clue. Let's see if you can decide which treasure coin that we need. Here's your first clue. Let's find the coin that has the letter that goes with V. Do you see the coin that has the letter that goes with V? Did you say V? Great work. That's right. The letter V goes with the sound V. All right, here's your next clue. Which treasure coin has the sound that we hear at the end of box? Box. Did you hear the X at the end of box? Which treasure coin goes with the X sound? Did you see the X? Great work. Yes, the X is the letter that goes with the X sound. Now that we're real pirates, let's work together to spell some words that are missing some letters. Our first first word is van. Do you see the letter that's missing at the beginning? Let's listen really closely. Van. What sound did you hear at the beginning? I heard V, and that's the sound that goes with the letter V. So yes, the V is going to go in the first box. Let's read the word together. V, a, n. Van. Blend it, van. Great work. This word is missing another letter at the beginning. Vet. What sound did you hear at the beginning? Did you hear the vet at the beginning? I heard that too. And I know that's the sound that goes with the letter V. That's right. So we're going to put a V in the box. Let's go ahead and read this word together. Vet. Vet. Blend it, vet. That's fantastic. Let's try a couple more. My next word is missing a sound at the end. Let's see if we can fix it. The word is mix. Did you hear the x at the end? What letter do we need to put in the last box to make this word complete? Did you say X? That's right, because X is the letter that goes with the x. Let's go ahead and blend and read this word. Mix. Mix. Blend it, mix. Let's try one more. The word is box. Uh-oh, we're missing a letter at the end. B-ox. What sound did you hear at the end? Did you hear the x? That's right. And I know that's the sound that goes with the letter X. So we're going to put an X in the last box. Let's go ahead and read this word. B-ox. Box. Blend it, box. Fantabulous blend. If you're sailing on a ship, say voo. If you're sailing on a ship, say voo. If you want to find the X, blend the sounds and track the treasure chest. If you're sailing on a ship, say voo. If you're sailing on a ship, say x. If you're sailing on a ship, say x. If you want to find the X, blend the sounds and check the treasure chest. If you're sailing on a ship, say x. Great work learning your letters X and V. I'll see you next time when I teach to your super learning strengths, one child and family at a time.